beautiful, isn't it?
It's a bit cold.
You'll warm up. How far is it to the first site?
It's about half a mile down there, near the forest entry.
Easy.
Not really.
Oh, come on. If you keep complaining, it's going to be a very long week.
Why do we have to have a week? We've only got 5 sightings pinpointed on the map.
Well, more time, more footage. Is this the film crew?
No, it's a photography student. Guy wanted to take some stills, ended up with a live.
Live?
You know, called the still.
Yeah, that's very, very cute. But leave the wordplay to me.
Sorry.
Wilson, how's the weather looking?
Dry, possibly.
Possibly. Oh, well, when the rain floods and washes us down to Totnes, I'll get back to you on possibly. All right. You're the outdoors expert.
Well, you know UK weather. It's a bit of a bipolar forecast. I was just say we expect the unexpected.
Ben, do you have a camera?
Yeah, sure.
What's that?
It's the camcorder.
Camcorder? What about the 6K we agreed on?
You agreed. I can't afford that shit. I'd have to sell my nut to get a fucking lens.
Okay, there's no need for that type of language. I understand, I do. But that's just not practical.
Don't worry, I've got the Black Magic app on my phone, if you want that 6K look.
Now you're speaking my language.
Hey, be careful with that, that's brand new.
Yeah, sure. So, when were you gonna share this sexy little gem?
I didn't know, we needed it right now, just when we were desperate.
Okay, just when we were desperate.
Heard that.
Now that, Benjamin, is a camera.
Damn, we're like real professionals now.
Well, I don't mean to put pressure on you. I'm just trying to make sure this documentary goes smoothly. And, that mistake you made, I think we can all learn from it.
Right.
And, we probably won't always be able to rely on Wilson, even if he did do a lifesaver just now. I digress. What I'm saying is, next time, don't fuck up.
Hey, Ben, where's this next point?
It is just up there by the cave.
What happened?
And about 4 weeks later, they found her foot and nothing else. Or her husband, or her 5 kids, or her chihuahua.
Alright, what are you guys talking about?
Yeah, I don't know, I don't think we should be here.
Well, imagine if we three were the first people to discover the famous Hungus Bungus.
Well, if this thing was actually real, there's only the 3 of us.
What are you saying?
I'm saying we could be killed. I mean, Ben, has there ever been a surviving encounter of Hungus?
Well, define survived.
Alive.
What about Stanley Manson? Anything would be useful. After an hour, a nurse told me he lost his ear, and that he couldn't hear anything.
I don't think that counts as alive.
What about the first victim?
I don't know. It's most likely he's dead.
You could have done a little more research on this project.
What do you mean?
Well, we don't have any proof or evidence that Hungus is here.
What are you talking about? What about Stanley Manson?
Well, he could have lost his ears some other way.
Well, no, he lost his face as well.
As disturbing as that is, that still doesn't tie to Hungus, does it? I mean, do we have a witness?
he is the witness.
Do you see the problem with that?
Well, okay, but we're near the cave now where the family was killed.
Where? Good. Now we're getting. Hand it over.
Excuse me?
Or maybe with that attitude, give me the phone.
No.
Last time I checked, I'm the leader around here. And sure, your phone, your say, but I have finesse. I bring in the drama. So come on, hand it over.
No.
Give me the cunting phone.
No.
Hold on. Stay there. Where do you think you're going? What about the cave?
I'm not going to the bloody cave. I'm going to stay here where it's safe.
Oh yeah, like being by yourself is any better. Safety in numbers.
Ben, what do you think?
I'm sorry, Wilson, but this is big. Plus, I've got my camcorder.
Right, okay.
Spirit. To repeat what I said earlier, in fact, to embed it for next time, when I tell you to bring the fucking camera, you bring the fucking camera.
Right. Do you think we should be here?
Oh, don't be such a pussy.
Don't call me that.
Oh, here?
Shut up. I think this is a really stupid idea.
Well, how else are we gonna find Bungus?
Well, like Ben said, it's not like the Loch Ness Monster. Some fish-shaped puppet thing. Right, this is a real murderer. Documented victims, alright?
Okay. What's your point?
My point is we could be next, we could die.
Oh, that's just nerves talking.
You're fucking insane.
Well, listen, I understand what you're going through. You're nervous, but everything is going to be okay. I guarantee it.
We're not making it out alive. Where's Ben? Ben?
Guys, I'm right in front of you.
Are you filming us?
Yeah.
How?
Night vision.
Well, how about that?
Yeah, a special feature that comes automated.
You know, I may have been a little harsh on you before.
Alright, Ben, you can stop filming us now.
Oh, come on, he's being useful for once.
Hey, I've done a lot for this journey. The camera, the research.
Well, that's not a lot.
I am the Hungus Bungus expert.
Really? The Hungus Bungus?
Yes, Hungus Bungus, the Blackmore beast.
Well, expert, why don't you... What did you say?
The Blackmore beast?
Blackmore.
Yeah, Blackmore.
Fuck you mean Blackmore?
This whole area we've been walking in. It's what it said from my research. Blackmore.
We're in Dartmoor. Devon.
Eh?
Blackmoor's in Wales.
Ah, bollocks.
Oh, thank God.
You stupid fucking little idiot!
Hey, come on. It's a mistake.
You are so fucking useless. I hate you. I hate your fucking camera, you little turd.
Hey, everything's calm.
Come! We have nothing. The expedition of a lifetime, and it's in fucking Wales.
Whoa, hey. Everything's alright. It's worth it. We could have died.
It was worth more than your sad little life.
Right, well, I guess there's nothing to find here, nothing to see. I think I'm gonna go home. It's been a pleasure.
Well, Shannon, we could always catch the trick.
Wilson!
Wilson! Wilson!
Ben, I thought you said Blackmore.
Yeah. Blackmore? Or Darkmore? Something with a dark or K.
It's fucking Dartmoor with a T.
Oh, my lord!
Noise down.
Wow. You're a little shorter than I expected, but you're not just a pretty face. You're the full shebang. Teeth, claws, and style. Come on, give us a big smile and say cheese.
You killed Ben!
I had to make it look authentic.
You fucks! You killed him!
Listen, with this, they're not gonna see us as a joke anymore. We have the first documented footage of Hungus Bungus.
And what? We're just gonna be another number.
That's
If we
why-
survive,
That's why I never liked you, Wilson. You don't have the balls.
don't be a hypocrite now.
Huh?
Oh shit! Holy shit! Holy